Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering UBQU Software Corp. Now, this is no longer a software company. I'm going to be getting into that a little bit here in a second. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the video. I'm covering this as recommended by someone in the comments on my previous video. I'm going to go a little bit further into the actual company now. This is Hemp Life. And today, CannazALL hemp CBD oils. A lot of different products that they're offering: tinctures, gel caps, CBD oil, water soluble, a powder, CBD skin salve, wax crumble, and e-liquid. Best thing here, all natural. The other best thing to highlight here, let me scroll on up, legal in all 50 states, and you got the join the 15,981 plus people using CannazALL hemp CBD oil. That's a lot of people. They got a nice little video here. We go a little bit further here. UBQU reports 2016 annual revenues increased to 3.4 million with a net income of 334,000. They're already doing better than Snap. Fourth quarter revenue increased 35% from the previous quarter. And you go in a little bit more detail here. It goes more specifically. The company cites superior USA grown and formulated CannazALL hemp CBD products. They're fast, rapid ship, same day processing, and good customer service, extensive knowledge, and they have their goals set pretty high. They got a good strategy going, and as the CEO says, we are really just starting, and we think of 2017 as the first year that we hit the ground running at full throttle. Going into the different details here, a lot of inputs, and it's fact that it's available in 50 states. Some say it's overreaching a little bit, but it's pretty broad in regards to that aspect. And then it breaks down the prices here. You got $68, you got $138. These might seem pricey, but people are paying this much, so it's not that unusual to expect kind of a high price margin for this kind of product. They go into more details here. Is CBD from hemp a miracle oil? And then there's a lot of different videos. Of course, you got some questionable doctors like Dr. Oz supporting it, but then you got some other ones that might be a little bit more reputable. You just dig around on the internet here. There's plenty of reputable people talking about cannabis and its benefits. It's derived from 100% USA grown and formulated, Department of Agricultural certified as CBD rich hemp. Let's go a little bit down here, and it shows a little bit of a process here of it, and some of the things that it should potentially cure. And you can just Google around, and each one has a different benefit depending on the oil. So there's a lot of benefits to it. You got to remember the main thing. This is a fairly new company, a lot of products, good revenue, and the best thing about it. All right, let me get into this here. This is just a little bit of an update on it. They a product derived from hemp called honey to be used with a wax dabbing vape. So that's something new they're doing. Their other one wasn't as successful, and they're working on a whole bunch of new products and new branding and all of that. The best part, though, is it's only 2 cents. I mean, 2 cents a share, and they have a pretty positive revenue. This is surely going to pop beyond 2 cents. It might even pop to $1. Maybe within the short term, possibly this year. So it's a good buy-in, even at 2 cents. You can buy a whole bunch of shares for this. $1,000 gets you a lot of money if that pops. And of course, it might trickle down a little bit from there, but any pop above 2 cents, you gotta admit the value is there. Thanks for listening in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the video if you want more videos like this. You can check out their website, HemplifeToday, if you want more details. Got a little bit of an investor page here. Uh, Not much information on there, but if you could dig around and see, You can go all the way over here to the OTC markets, and not much detail here as well. Pretty much what I covered. I'm just trying to find more information for you guys, but their actual investor page doesn't say a whole lot of information. I highlighted that mostly through the video. They claim that it's a multi-billion-dollar industries they're trying to break into. Uh, there's a lot of competition, however, so I wouldn't expect a huge pop, but you should see over $1 very soon, at least within the year. So it's definitely a strong investment to get into and consider. I like it. I'm probably gonna hop into it here a little bit. Probably not a gigantic position, but a big enough position where if it does end up popping, it's going to be quite lucrative. So thanks for listening in, and make sure to subscribe as said earlier, and have a nice day.